How to recover accidentally deleted files or folders in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can restore accidentally deleted files or folders in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right in. So the first thing that you will need to do is make sure you're updated to the latest version of your Windows. Even if you're not, this should work. So as you must have already known that Windows has a recycle bin feature, which whatever you delete first goes and stays in the recycle bin. So let's say that I've mistakenly deleted this folder. So let me right click on it, tap on delete, and there we go, it's gone. And also my CV, which is an important document. So let's say that I've deleted it. And now I need it. In that case, all I have to do is locate the recycle bin, open this up. Let's expand on this. And there you can see both of those are first here in recycle bin. Now all I have to do is select these. Then there you can see restore the selected item option. Tap on restore the selected item and it should get restored. As you can see, it's now back to where it previously was. And it's that simple. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.